Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you, the Crenova Wax Warmer. This is a new upgraded model out of 2020. It's a hair removal waxing kit with 20 applicators and 4-pack, 14.1 pound hot wax beans for home waxing. This is awesome, isn't it? The Crenova YM-550 wax warmer is suitable for all skin types and great for face, eyebrow, upper lip, and full body, armpits, arms, chest, bikini, line, legs, etc. Waxing. It delivers a professional yet enjoyable waxing treatment at our home without or nearly without pain, and leads to the hair-free smooth result up to 6 weeks. This waxing kit includes amazing sanded hard wax beans, 4 times 100 grams of lavender, rose, honey, and aloe vera wax, which contain a natural extract to prevent skin burns, irritation, and inflammation. The YM-550 is equipped with adjustable temperature settings from 160 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. It's giving impressive temperature control while melting the different types of wax, soft, hard, and sand wax. With fast heating plate, this instant multipurpose wax warmer only takes about 15 up to 40 minutes to melt wax completely, and it will automatically shut down to avoid overheating for safety concurrence. Here you can see the wax beans and the wax. It's for eyebrow, upper hair, up or lip hair, arm hair, leg hair, bikini zone, chest, armpits, toes, face, etc. All body workout with hot wax beans, 4 times 100 grams, honey, aloe vera, lavender, and rose. On top, applicators, 20 of them. And you can see the lavender, reduce stress, anxiety, and pain during a waxing treatment. The rose wax has a variety of vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. The honey beans contains anti-irritating and anti-inflammatory properties, and aloe vera. It helps moisturize and smooth the wax skin. Oh, this is awesome. It's ready to party after 10 minutes. Before you have so many hairs on your skin, take the wax on top of your skin and pull the skin, the hair out of the skin by using the wax. Awesome at-home waxing kit. Get smooth hair-free skin in a few minutes. And it's for all wax types. It is capable of melting various types of wax, e.g. wax, beads, blocks, canned wax, soft, hard wax. Everything is possible on this machine. And shaving is not the solution for long range or for a long time. It cuts away hair at the skin surface, of course, but the hair grows faster and thicker than before. And if you're using hair removal cream, dissolve the hair at the skin surface. It contains harmful chemicals and smells bad. And of course you can go to a salon waxing. It is expensive and not so convenient. If you have long-lasting smooth, effortlessly remove unwanted hair from the root, get hairless skin up to 6 weeks. The Crenova Wax Warmer Kit makes our home becomes a professional beauty salon. Oh yeah. You have different types of wax beans in it. Lavender, for example, promotes calmness. It is for coarse hair. If you are using the rose beans, includes rose essential oil for all body area use. And if you are going to use the wax beans with honey, gentle enough for facial hair removal. And I like it most, the aloe vera. It's naturally hydrator for dry and sensitive skin. Wow, feel beautiful and convenient every day by using this wax warmer here. It's really easy to use. Of course, you have to take care of your skin by yourself because you are a home performer with this YM-550 wax warmer. Do not use the appliance in wet surroundings. Do not immerse the appliance into water or any other liquids, of course. Always keep the appliance dry. If the appliance is broken, do not touch any inner parts of avoid electrical shocks. If the appliance falls into water, unplug it immediately. Never operate the appliance if it has a damaged cord or plug, if it does not work, if it's fallen into water. Make sure nothing obstructs the airflow through the ventilator slots on the bottom sides. Never subject the appliance to heavy shocks and do not shake or drop it. Never leave the appliance unattended when it's switched on. But it is really safe to use that wax warmer in your rooms, no problem. I tried it and it was not so hot to inflame any other objects near that warmer, really. I think so. Always switch off and unplug the appliance after use. And store the appliance in the box. Keep the appliance out of the reach of children. Do not wrap the cord around the appliance which is used. And then you can operate with it. Place the inner wax not properly into the appliance. Remove the plastic lid from the appliance. Adjust the handle for inner wax pot. Pour the desired amount of the wax beans into the inner pot. And rotate the temperature control knob to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the highest temperature setup. Stir the wax with a wax applicator or spatula to make it completely melted until it looks like the consistency of honey. We can start waxing now. For faster heating, we may cover the lid by using the cover. Yeah. Then turn off the appliance after waxing, allows the inner pot to cool down, and cover the appliance with the lid to keep the wax from getting dusty. Place the appliance in a cool, dry, well-ventilated area. But take care. The appliance has a safe outer shutdown circuit. After the appliance reaches the present temperature, it continues heating to stay warm, but may result into hot melted wax. So before you go on your skin by using that wax, that hot wax, take care that it is not too high temperated. Okay, this is really important. The appliance will automatically stop working at first. It will reheat and its indicator light will illuminate again when after temperature of the melted wax is 50 degrees Fahrenheit lower than the preset temperature. This light will turn on during the reheating process and the turn off about 2 up to 3 minutes later at the preset temperature. Finally, it will illuminate again. We can select a different heating temperature according to the special wax types and quality. If the appliance outer shuts off due to excessive wax, please keep stirring it with a wax applicator or spatula to quick melting. And if you are performing waxing, use the spatula to test the wax temperature on the inside of your wrist at first. Melted wax should spread easily but should not be uncomfortably hot. Cleanse the area to be waxed and dry well before starting. Any lotions or makeup on the skin may prevent the wax from removing the hair. Dip the spatula in the wax and twirl to avoid dripping. Apply a thin layer to the wax in the direction of hair growth. When the wax has dried enough, cool down time, without sticky at all, it is time to remove it. Grab the end of the wax, quickly pull it against the direction of the hair growth. Always pull as close to the skin as possible. Oh, this is a little bit, it hurts a little bit. If the wax is peeled off too slowly, it will be painful. The wax will remain on skin and hair will not come off. Once we have finished, clean the area with a little bit moist towel or skin softening oil to soothe and protect and disinfect the removing area. To cool down your skin again, keeps calm your skin. Temporary redness in the wax area is normal. Applying an ice pack to the area immediately after cleaning reduces redness and irritation. Avoid exposure of waxed skin to the sun for 12 hours. And avoid using the makeup and other skin products for a few hours after waxing. The weight of this device is 1,300 grams. The capacity of the inner part is 500 milliliter, and the voltage is 110 up to 120 voltage in United States, 220 up to 240 voltage in UK and Europe. The power is 100 watt. The pack dimensions are 6.9 inches to 6.7 inches to 7.5 inches to 17.5 to 17 to 19 centimeters. It's really good to wax yourself because this will completely remove all hairs. The other side is it is a little bit harmful. It hurts a little bit in the moment you remove the wax from your hair or with your hair from your skin. This hurts a little bit, of course. Shaving doesn't entirely remove the hairs. It just cuts off the visible parts of the hair on the surface of the skin. Waxing does remove hairs from the root. It takes 3 up to 4 weeks for hair to grow back with long-lasting smooth outcomes. Besides, hairs will grow back thinner. Hard wax is less painful than soft wax. You can use both in that machine. Since pain tolerance vary and certain areas are more sensitive than others, the slight discomfort and redness are normal. With continued waxing, we will experience less pain each time. Yes, that's right. We do not need additional materials. Claw strips are not needed with wax. The only thing we will need is wax itself, a wax warmer, and spatula. Waxing can be practiced in the most areas of the body, including eyebrows, face, legs, arms, back, abdomen, feet, and every bikini areas. We can only go for it. We can start and remove the hair, no problem. Depending on the amount of the wax beans, the poured into the heater, it will take from 7 to 20 minutes to melt the wax completely. Normally, a machine will take 7 to 13 minutes to melt 50 grams of wax beans and 30 up to 20 to melt, or maybe 30 or 40 minutes to melt 100 grams of wax beans completely. We do not have to clean it because we can melt the remaining wax again until it is finished. If there's no wax in the melt area, we can add another wax beans in it. And so you do not have to clean this wax warmer after each move or each using thing. That is not necessary. It's easy. It is comfortable. I think it's more comfortable than an epilator or a gel or other thing. You do not have to perform this so much or continuously like shaving. So the wax thing is a good thing to remove the skin. And this is a wax warmer for it. The Crenova 2020 new upgraded model hair removal waxing kit with 20 applicators and 4-pack. Hard wax beans for home waxing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.